Ready or not, here I come.
We can't keep hiding forever.
Don't you mean for cheddar? Get it, because we're praying for money, aka cheddar. Not that I'm cheesy incidental.
Oh, cheesy. We've shared so many laughs together.
But we can't share the win.
Cheesy, no!
You've already done so much for me, Balloon. And I'm not just saying that to inflate your ego.
But what the hell?
One day, you learn to stop hitting yourself.
Stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself.
For others' amusement.
Me too. Thanks, Balloon. I'm so glad we connected. Your social game sure is strong.
What the hell?